Hey there, car enthusiasts. If you're tired of wasting time and money on plastic restorers that claim to last long but fade after a few days, then you need to check out Car Guys Plastic Restorer. Our user-friendly trim restorer will bring plastic, rubber, and vinyl back to life, and it's safe for all your auto detailing needs. Our 8 ounces kit comes with a foam applicator and results that last for several months, surviving rain and repelling water. No more ugly streaks down the side of your vehicle after the first rainfall. And the best part? Our product completely dries to the touch, so no more oily, greasy messes ruining your detailing towels. At Car Guys, we care about quality and customer satisfaction. Our products are made with the latest advancements in science and using the best equipment available, and every formula is mixed and bottled in the USA by hard-working Americans. And if you're not happy with our product for any reason, we'll make it right. So choose Car Guys Plastic Restorer. Because we care about the quality of our products and your satisfaction. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and bring your plastic, rubber, and vinyl back to life with Car Guys Plastic Restorer. Don't settle for anything less than the best for your vehicle. Subscribe to our channel for more great auto detailing tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching.